Money, I know you want it. Money, I know you need it. I be stacking up on my end. Man, this money already swimming. Money, I know you want it. Money, I know you need it.
Hey, what's up, all my beautiful people? It's your boy Chris B Music, and I'm back today with another review. Today, I'm going to be doing another review about jewelry, and this particular product is going to be another men's watch. And this product, this fine piece of jewelry, comes from the house of Armatron. Armatron was introduced to the market in 1956, and they are based out of New York. So enough for the introduction. Let's go on ahead and get into what you guys came here for. So this is an Armatron watch. This is a gold watch right here. It has the diamonds inside of the face. It got the black face. It's just a beautiful product. It's a beautiful piece of jewelry that I have right here. This is a quartz movement watch. This was actually the first real watch I've ever purchased. I bought it last summer. I probably bought this around June or July of 2018. I picked this one up at JCPenney for about $150. It's well worth the investment. It sits well. It fits perfect. You can get it fit to your wrist size. So most of my subscribers and followers, you guys know that I'm pretty much known for doing cologne reviews, cologne unboxing, and cologne videos. However, I'm starting to get more into the jewelry side of it. So just like I would do with a cologne review, I'm going to tell you what type of occasions to wear this particular watch on, tell you the compliment factor, and tell you how it fits. So this watch right here, I think it's a universal watch. I believe that you can wear this to any occasion. It's good for business, it's good for casual, and it's good for professional use. With that being said, you can wear this to a wedding, work, or to a club or bar. And yes, I have gotten several compliments off of this watch. A lot of people, hey, where did you get that watch from? How much it costs? Is it expensive? I like that. It goes good with your outfit. My friends, they love it. Co-workers love it. I mean, it's just a beautiful product right here. So like I said earlier in this video, this is the first real watch that I've ever purchased. I bought it at JCPenney for about $150, I believe. I can't remember the exact price. And when I first bought it, I was super excited about getting the watch. So I was talking to the jeweler. It was a lady. She was probably mid-40s to early 50s. And I think she was Indian or something. Very nice lady, very educational. Very helpful, and she was very knowledgeable on the product. So me not knowing anything and me not doing my proper research before I went to go buy my watch, she had offered me a JCPenney protection plan. I think for this particular watch, the protection plan is about $18 to $20. I can't remember. I think I paid $20. So she's like, yeah, I'll give you a two-year protection plan on it. The 2-year plan includes free cleanings, and we'll replace the watch for you if it messes up, and all that good stuff. So me being the guy that I am, I'm like, yeah, if I'm spending this much money, of course I want to get my money's worth, and I want to be able to protect my investments. So I bought the protection plan, so they took my watch up an extra $20. So out the door, I was out $170 with tax and all that stuff included. So once I got home and I started doing research on it, I looked up the manufacturer's warranty, and I found out the manufacturer warranty is better than JCPenney's protection plan. I was upset, I was bothered, and I was mad at myself for not doing research. That's what happens when you move fast and you don't pay attention and do your own homework before you make an investment. You make bad decisions. So this watch right here, Armatron, they give you a lifetime warranty. Not a 2-year warranty, not a 3-year warranty, a lifetime warranty. So that means as long as you are alive, they will maintenance your watch for you. But it's a limited warranty. So they're not going to fix your watch if you abuse it or if you purposely break it or, natural wear and tear. They're pretty much going to make sure that it functions properly. So if anything mechanical goes wrong with it or something falls off, they're going to fix it for you, because that's their contribution to their product. They believe in their products. They believe their products should last a lifetime, so they're going to hold their end of the bargain. Now, on the flip side of that, if you do have to send your watch in for mechanical failures, there is a $9.95 fee that they would charge you to repair your watch, which is worth the investment. Say if you had this watch for 10 years and something finally goes wrong with it, you're only paying $9.95 that one time, and they're going to fix whatever the issue is. With that being said, don't invest into the insurance plan that the jewelers such as JCPenney, Kohl's, Macy's, K Jewelers, Zales, that they may try to sell you. They're just getting the commission. The likelihood of something going wrong with your watch in 2 years is like, the odds is like 1 in a million. So don't invest into a protection plan unless you're extremely clumsy or you're wearing it to your construction job or something like that. So let me go ahead and go over some of the product descriptions. It's included with a battery, it's adjustable, analog, you got crystal accent, water resistant, silver oxide, fold over claps, quartz movement, of course. It is water resistant, not waterproof, water resistance, which means that if you do submerge it in water, it can only be submerged in water for a short period of time. Like, you know, you might be washing dishes or something like that and your watch fall in. Like, if you can hurry up and grab it and it's not submerged for a long time, it'll be okay. Or like if you're outside and it start raining, it'll be okay. Or if you're washing your hands and water get onto your watch where you wash your hands, it'll be okay. But don't try to take long showers, or don't try to take baths, don't try to go swimming with it, and don't purposely soak it in water just to test it, because you will destroy your watch. So water resistant, not waterproof. Keep that in mind. It's gold, stainless steel, and when you're cleaning your watch, if you want to properly clean your watch, you have to use a micro fiber cloth. Don't try to buy that cleaning solution. Just wipe it down with a nice cloth. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I like to wipe my watch down at least once a week, or depending on how much I wear it. But I have a watch case that I keep all of my valuable watches in. But just, you know, give it a good wipe down once a week, and you should be fine. And I'll show you guys what the proper cloth look like and tell you guys where you can get the cloth from. So yeah, here's the cloth right here. You can get this on Amazon for about $4 or $5. This is the the buffing size. So you pretty much use this when you want to finish your cloth. And this is the back side, which is the polishing. So you polish and get all the wax and grime off of your watch and jewelry. And this is where you just polish it up with, just, go ahead and buff it and give it that nice little spark to it. So this is what the watch looked like once you put it on. Got the crystals inside of it. I'm not 100% certain what type of crystals are inside of it, but it's a beautiful product regardless. I love it. I stand by this, and I go ahead and I give Armatron a 5 out of 5 for making this product just so spectacular and so majestic. The movement is so spontaneous and spectacular and astonishing. So if you want to wear some fine jewelry, but you don't want to break the bank, Armatron is a good brand. It's kind of up there with Bulova and Citizens, but this is going to be more on a cheaper end, though. So I stand by it 100%. So on the descriptions below, what I would do for you guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you know where you can find the cleaning cloth. I'm going to let you know where you can find these Armatron watches at. But as always, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to come and see me. I love you guys. You guys mean a lot to me. I appreciate all the support. As always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Much love. Chris B signing out.